This is a Studio Zone Class Z Compact Magnifying Makeup Mirror. Dual-sided, 10x magnified, plus 1 times true view. I bought this not because I do my own makeup, but because for my photography, when I'm out in the field running gun with no makeup artist because I can't afford one, the models that I work with sometimes need some makeup, sometimes just need to look at themselves, and for some reason never bring a mirror themselves on the shoots. I don't know if they're expecting to have a makeup artist because I'm too cheap, but they never have a mirror. So I bought this as a tool that I'm going to use now and bring on all my shoots. Here is the 10 times, here's the regular one. Some other essentials that I always bring on shoots that aren't photography gear are some tissues. I always bring some hand sanitizer. This is a random brand, but I have this hand sanitizer and I clip this to my camera bags. I always bring hand sanitizer. And I always bring rice paper. This rice paper is to wipe off blemishes or sometimes sweat that you can blot on oily skin for the face. Rice paper is really good stuff. It's for use for men and women. And the last thing I bring with me are Band-Aids and alcohol wipes. Or these are antiseptic swabs, wipes. I bring this because if you get little cuts or bruises, you can clean them up pretty quickly. So these things here are these 4 things are what I bring on every photo shoot with. I always seem to need tissues and hand sanitizer, and now I've been getting a lot of requests for mirrors. Now I have that. This and some water. I always bring some water with me for the model and for myself. Are the equipment that I bring with me on every photo shoot.